Hey guys, in this video I'll show you eBay promo codes and coupon codes where you can save up to $100 off on your next purchase. These are working ones, so for example on Join Honey, you can get coupons. You can click here, just get coupon. It will reveal the coupons to you once it refreshes. Even on websites like dealmoon.com, you get all of these promo coupon codes, right? These are for promotions mostly. Here you can see these coupons as well. So just click on show code and it will go ahead and reveal once it opens up in a new tab. So as you can see right here, this is the code, right? And this is another website, couponfollow.com. The way you go about this, you just come here, search eBay promo code on Google, click here on tools, change the result from any time to at least the past week, past month. So you get the latest working code that actually work. As you can see right here, just make sure they're not expired. Some codes are, item specific, amount specific, category specific. So keep that in mind as well. But otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.